By the end of this video, you're going to know how to tie a tie. Not only will you be able to tie a tie, you're going to have a super sharp looking Windsor knot. I'm going to take you through each step of the way, so be sure to stick around till the end. Now, the first step is a very important one, and it's one you do not want to get wrong. This should be your starting position. You want your tie to sit like this. Try to make the length of the wide end about 2/3 of the total length of the tie, and the thin end about 1/3. If you start like this, everything else is a piece of cake. Now, cross each end over. The wide end goes over the top. And this is how much length you want to have left on the narrow end. For most people, that'll be around 4 to 6 inches, or 15 centimeters, or thereabouts. Take the wide end of the tie with your left hand and feed it through this opening here, around the back, and bring it all the way through like this. Now, again with your left hand, hold the wide end of the tie like this. Wrap it all the way around the back and swap hands. Now you'll notice that the back of the tie is facing outwards. That's exactly how we want it to be for now. With the wide end now in your right hand, feed it down through this opening here and pull it through all the way. Now this is a good point to stop and take stock of where things are at. This is how your tie should look at this stage. The back of the tie should still be facing outward. And you should also be able to see this triangle here. This is the back end of your tie knot. This is what will give your knot that nice full-bodied shape once you're finished. If yours doesn't look like a triangle at the moment, don't stress. Try to mold and shape it into one before moving on to the next step. This will make your knot look a lot sharper and more triangular at the end. Okay, here's where the magic happens. Take your left forefinger, put it on the knot like this, and leave it there. With your right hand, wrap the wide end around the knot from right to left. And then pick it up from behind. Leave your forefinger where it is. With your right hand, push the wide end through this opening again, from the bottom and up through the gap. Grab it on the other side and pull it through. We're almost there, guys. Now, notice here that your forefinger has created a little tunnel. What you need to do is thread your tie down through this tunnel, just like this. Now all you need to do is adjust and tighten it, gradually pulling the knot up, alternating between the long end and the short end of the tie. And what you should have is a nice, sharp, symmetrical knot, also known as the Windsor knot. I hope this helped. If it did, please like the video and hit subscribe. That would mean an awful lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.